You grow up in a small town where nobody expects anything from you. Your mother works 2 jobs. Nobody remembers her name. Your father left behind nothing. Except one book, a chemistry book. You open it when you're 10. You don't understand it. You keep reading anyway. By 14, you are memorizing formulas like other kids. Memorize football scores. By 18, you are the smartest person in your neighborhood. And still, nobody hires you. That's when a man walks into your life and doesn't need to buy anything. You get into university, chemistry. You don't celebrate. You calculate the cost. You sit with students who've never worried about money. You study to survive. You graduate near the top. You apply everywhere. You don't get calls back. The jobs go to people who already have connections. You move back home. Degree in hand. No job. You start working at a small supply store. You try not to think about everything you studied. Going to waste one afternoon. The man comes back. He doesn't buy anything. He just watches you. Then he asks, "You studied chemistry, right? In a town like yours, everyone knows everything." He offers you a job, cash, good money, no details. He doesn't need to explain. You already understand what the job is. You say no. You go home. Your mother is coughing again. The doctor wants tests. Tests cost money. You lie awake, doing the math in your head. Your salary covers food. Nothing else. The man comes back again. Same question. This time, you say yes. They take you outside the city. A quiet place. Too quiet inside. You see the lab buckets. Tubes. Gas burners. Dirt floors. The smell hits you instantly. This isn't chemistry. This is chaos. And you are here to fix it. You don't start cooking. You observe. You test the materials carefully. You check for contamination. You write everything down. You build a system. Proper tools arrive within days, faster than anything you've ever seen. This operation runs better than your university lab. You design a new process. Clean, controlled. Repeatable. Your first batch. 96% purity. The boss doesn't smile. He just says, "Make more." You train others. Step by step. Measure carefully. Temperature matters. Mistakes cost money. They don't understand chemistry, but they understand results. Production grows. 1 lab becomes 2, 2 becomes 5. You travel between them, testing everything. You reject anything below your standard. You built a system for something that destroys lives. The money changes everything. Your mother gets treatment. She starts getting better. You fix the house. You buy her things she never asked for. She asks where the money comes from. You lie. She believes you, because she wants to. Months pass. You see how big this really is. Your work moves across cities, across borders. The numbers become too large to process. You stop calculating. Then something changes. Your boss disappears. New management takes over. They don't care about quality. They care about volume. They tell you to cut corners. You try to explain. They don't listen. Mistakes start happening. Labs become unstable. Danger grows. One night, someone you trained comes to you. He's scared. He says your name was mentioned as a problem. That's when you understand. You are valuable, but also replaceable. You think about running, but your family is here, and they know that. Then, a message appears. "We know who you are." You sit there for hours, thinking about everything. You make a decision. You cooperate. Quietly, carefully, you keep working, while feeding information. Days pass. Then one morning, everything ends. Raids, arrests, chaos. Just like that, it's over. You disappear. New place, new name, a normal job, testing water. Same tools, different purpose. You visit your mother on weekends. She says she's proud. You don't correct her. At night, you draw molecules. If this made you think, subscribe for more stories like this.